Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create Bitget Wallet account. So in order to set up your Bitget wallet, you need to first launch your Google Play Store, or if you are using the iOS device, then you just have to simply launch your App Store. Here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Bitget Wallet, and once you are able to find the Bitget Wallet application in front of you, you just have to tap on the install button in order to successfully download and install it in your device. Once this step is done, you just have to tap on the open button in order to launch your Bitget wallet, and after waiting for some time, you will be able to see this type of interface in front of you. Here it will ask you to create a wallet, or if you already have a wallet, then you can even import it over here. Now we are going to create a new wallet here. So you need to select the create a wallet option and then agree to the terms and conditions. Now it will show you the mnemonics wallet. So you just have to simply tap on create now. Now it will ask you to set the pin code. So you just have to provide the pin code in this section, and then after waiting for some time, it will show you that your Bitget wallet account is created successfully. Now, as soon as it is created, the first thing that you need to do is to simply backup your Bitget wallet. For that, you will be able to see the backup option in the top. So if you tap on backup, it will show you this type of attention message where you just have to simply tap on the acknowledge option and then select the backup mnemonics option. After that, it will ask you to provide your passkey. So you just have to provide the same passkey that you have used at the time of the creation of your Bitget wallet. Then you will be able to see the 12-digit phrase in front of you, which you just have to copy and keep it somewhere safe. You don't need to share this phrase with anyone, and you can use this phrase in order to restart your Bitget wallet whenever you want to do that. Now this way you will be able to set up your Bitget wallet, and you can use it to send and receive your cryptos from and to Bitget wallet. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like this video, comments if you have any questions, and subscribe to this channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.